Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel once again. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and comment on this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add your Alipay account to your Taobao or change your Alipay account to a different Alipay account. Firstly, you need to have the Taobao app. Then you click on the account where the arrow is pointing at. Now click on settings and select payment method. You then go ahead and select Alipay account. So with here, make sure the Alipay account you want to link with the Taobao account is on the same phone. If not, it wouldn't be able to process. Now click on change Alipay account and it will direct you to your Alipay account to confirm your details. After confirming your Alipay details, it will send you back your Taobao to confirm your Alipay account has been linked with your Taobao. Yes, so this is how you can link your Alipay account to your Taobao account. Very easy. If this video really helped you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. In my next video, I'll show you how you can source for legit suppliers on the Taobao app. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.